Welcome to Crystal Windows and Door Systems video series. In this video, we will be teaching you how to install a limiting device on your 9200 window. Installing a limiting device on your 9200 window allows for ventilation while also providing peace of mind that your window will not be opened wider than intended. Before we begin, please ensure that you have all of the components for your limiting device: a limit arm, a security screw, releasable mounting bracket, and limit stop. These are the tools required: a bit driver with a Phillips head bit, a T20 Torx bit, and a T25 Torx bit, a number 3 Allen key or a 1/8 hex key, 3 number 10-24 tamper-resistant flathead socket cap machine screws, a tape measure, and a drill with a 5/32 drill bit. Using the T25 Torx bit, place the security screw on the releasable mounting bracket. Screw it on just enough for it to stay secured on the bracket. Place the bracket on the frame with the screw closer to the handle side and away from the hinge side of the frame. Now measure approximately 8 inches from the bracket to the inside edge of the frame. Using the drill and 5/32 drill bit, drill 2 holes into the frame where we will be securing the bracket. Now take the bit driver with the T20 Torx bit and screw the tamper-resistant screws into the bracket. Installing a limiting device on the head and sill of your window follow the same steps, except for this next step, which is specific to the sill only. Please take a moment to remove the sash lift at the bottom of the sash. You can do this easily with a Phillips head screwdriver. Once the sash lift is removed, slide the limit arm, as shown, into the sash groove. Next, insert the limit stop, making sure the rubber stopper is facing the limit arm. Secure the limit stop in place temporarily by using an Allen key. Insert the other end of the limit arm onto the mounting bracket and tighten the security screw. Measure a sash opening of 4 inches. Adjust the limit stop to restrict the limit arm to this position and use the Allen key to secure it once more. Use the drill again and drill a hole through our limit stop for our third tamper-resistant screw. Reinstall the sash lift at the bottom of the sash. Lastly, operate the window to ensure the device is installed properly. Thank you for watching.